We'll guide you through how to change VS Code font. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial process, please make absolutely sure that you already have the VS Code software properly installed on your personal computer system. After verifying that initial requirement, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code program directly from your desktop. Once inside the main VS Code workspace, navigate directly to the bottom left corner of the main sidebar interface. Firmly click the small gear icon and accurately select the settings option. Next, simply type font family directly into the designated settings search bar to quickly find the specific visual setting that we actively want to change today. On the far left side of the located font family setting block, click the secondary gear icon provided there and explicitly select the copy setting as JSON option. After successfully doing that, safely close the main settings window completely. Next, simultaneously press the Ctrl-Shift and P keys directly on your computer keyboard and clearly type Settings JSON into the search command palette. Click directly on the Preferences, Open User Settings JSON generated option to effectively modify your underlying user settings workspace. A completely new window will immediately open right on your active screen. Neatly paste the exact setting code that we securely copied in the earlier step directly into this active document. In this particular configuration window, you absolutely must make absolutely sure the written JSON code syntax is entirely correct throughout. Carefully ensure that absolutely all code blocks are perfectly placed inside the provided curly brackets. And remember, there absolutely must be a standard comma correctly placed at the absolute end of each specific setting line. Next, systematically delete the currently listed font name text value directly from the exact setting string we just pasted. After that, simultaneously press the Ctrl and Space keyboard shortcut keys to successfully bring up the convenient autocomplete text suggestions list. Right here, you can easily choose the specific customized font that you personally want to properly utilize. For this instructional example, I will specifically change the overall display font right now to the highly unique Ioskeley Nerd Font option. Once you are now completely done making these adjustments, simply press the Ctrl and S keys together to perfectly save your current personalized settings, and your workspace font will be successfully changed immediately.